When it comes to memorizing vocabulary, there are usually two reasons why. Number one is for testing. You want to memorize vocabulary for a test. So you have some sort of language test, some sort of school test, whatever. The second one is that you want to memorize vocabulary for your daily life, your daily conversations. One of the biggest problems I encounter with most of my students is that they try to do too much when it comes to memorizing vocabulary. Okay? I'm not going to talk about testing vocabulary. I'm talking about for your daily communication, just the overall improvement of your language abilities. You see, when you have to memorize vocabulary for a test or any test, what are you doing? You cram your brain with as much information as possible. For example, if you know this test will most likely have 50 vocabulary words you need to know. This is an example, right? But they won't tell you which 50 words these are. So what are you going to do? You're going to try to cram hundreds, thousands of words in your head, okay? Just so that when you take the test, when the time comes, if that question comes, if it requires that answer, hopefully you crammed enough, you put all this stuff in your brain, hopefully you prepped enough, you repeated enough, you did enough repetition that you'll be ready, remember what it is. Whew, okay, you got the answer done for the test. The problem with that is that life doesn't work that way. Learning vocabulary like that for a test, that may work. But the problem is, in real life, it's a very different situation. The reason is because all of us have a different situation. We have a different job, we have a different family, we have different friend groups, different circles of interest, hobbies, the places you live, et cetera, et cetera. And because of that, the real honest truth is that if you try to learn hundreds, thousands of different vocabulary words, you most likely will never use them. You most likely will not even hear them. And that is the key there. If you don't use these words in your daily life, it will be nearly impossible to memorize them. Okay? So the key here is that if you're talking about daily life communication English, you have to learn vocabulary words that apply to your life, or else you're wasting your time. Because remember, language is a tool, okay? Before, when you were learning a language, maybe it was for a test, maybe because you decided to learn in school, maybe whatever. But now if you need it for your life, okay? If you need it for your life to do something, then it becomes a tool. So if you want to memorize it faster, you have to use it, okay? By actively using this vocabulary in your daily life, you remember it a lot easier, okay? I'll give you an example. It's like when you go somewhere for the first time, but you don't know how to get there. You know the destination where it is. You've just never gone there. Maybe you've never taken the subway, you never took a car, you never drove there, never rode a bike, walked there, whatever, right? So the first time you go, it takes a long time. Oh, I don't know where I am. But after you've gone there, you become more familiar with the road to get there. It becomes easier, quicker, faster, right? And the same applies to vocabulary in your life in different situations, okay? So that's number one, okay, is that you can't memorize hundreds of vocabulary words, thousands of vocabulary words if you want to use them in your daily life. Unless you're going to use all of them, okay?